If your laptop speakers are making a crackling or popping sound on Windows 11, here are several fixes you can try. Start by making sure Windows is fully updated. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Go to Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart your computer before moving on. Next, update your speaker driver. Open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, locate your laptop speakers, right-click them, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from an available list of drivers on my computer. Select the available Audio Endpoint driver and click Next to install it. After the installation is complete, right-click your speaker device again and select Disable Device. Confirm the prompt, wait a few seconds, then right-click the speaker once more and choose Enable Device. This refreshes the audio device and may resolve temporary driver issues. Now, right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, right-click your speakers and choose Properties. Open the Advanced tab and make sure Enable Audio Enhancements is turned off if it's available. While you're in the Advanced tab, try changing the default format to a different audio quality. For example, if it's currently set to 16-bit, switch to 24-bit or try another available option. Test each format to see which one produces the clearest sound without crackling. When you're finished, click Apply, then OK. If the issue isn't fixed after trying all of these solutions, the problem may be hardware-related. In that case, your laptop speakers or internal audio components may need to be inspected or repaired by a qualified technician. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guides.